Hello, I'm Dave Thurman, Dean and CEO of Northeastern University in Seattle. It's my pleasure to welcome you to the first ever Seattle campus virtual open house. Northeastern University is a global university, operating a network of campuses around the world, including Boston, Seattle, Toronto, Vancouver, British Columbia, the San Francisco Bay Area, Charlotte, North Carolina, and London. And in each location, the campus and the programs are tailored to the needs of employers in the region. Today, I'd like to tell you more about Northeastern's campus in Seattle and how we're connected to the region. So let's start with a brief video tour of our South Lake Union campus. Our Seattle campus opened in 2013 with one office suite and some shared classrooms in South Lake Union neighborhood, a center of innovation in Seattle. We've added more space every couple of years, and today we have almost 40,000 square feet of classroom, office, student study, and event space across 5 locations in 2 buildings, and we're still growing. It's a bustling neighborhood full of office workers and apartment buildings, restaurants and pubs, dozens of food trucks, and a weekly farmers market in the spring and summer. Our students come from all over the world to study in the same neighborhood where you'll find Amazon's global headquarters, along with engineering centers for other tech firms like Google, Facebook, Apple, and more. Microsoft, Starbucks, and Providence Healthcare are also big employers in the area, creating unprecedented demand for workers with strong technical and project management skills. Interdisciplinary projects bring together students with differing skills, say computer science, information systems, and project management, to learn how to work together on complex problems. We currently have almost 1,000 graduate students in programs on campus. 5 of these programs, computer science, information systems, project management, and our 2 data analytics programs, are offered fully on ground, though some students choose to take some of their courses online as well. Our Doctorate of Education and Doctorate of Law and Policy are both offered in a hybrid format, with courses completed online and cohorts of students coming together once a term for specialized study and community building. Finally, the Seattle campus embraces Northeastern's focus on experiential learning, starting with industry professionals who teach many of our courses and bring their real-world experiences right into the classroom, through experiential network projects that are sourced from local companies and provide our learners with real-world experience on campus before they take on an internship or co-op, working for one of the many organizations in Seattle that employs hundreds of Northeastern students every year. Now that we've had a chance to explore campus a bit, I'd encourage you to explore the different programs you'll find below. Each link will take you to a video from representatives of a different program. This is useful background information to have before the live advising sessions start on Thursday, May 14th at 3:30 p.m. At that time, we invite you to come back and ask questions, listen to questions other people have, and take some time to get to know our campus community. I hope you've enjoyed learning more about Northeastern University in Seattle, and that you'll consider becoming part of our global network of lifelong learners. Thanks for joining us.